everybody. Today, we bought a dirt bike off Facebook Marketplace. We're going to check it out, see what happens. Okay, y'all, here she is. This is the SSR 125cc pit bike. Nothing really wrong with it, except the fact it doesn't have an air filter, but that's the only thing. It's the only problem with it. $450 off Facebook Marketplace. It's 2023, supposedly. We don't know. It's got a VIN. If we look up the VIN, we'll find out. But supposedly it's 2023, pretty much brand new. And pretty much nothing wrong with it, I guess. So let's kick it over so you can hear that two-stroke. As you can tell, she runs pretty good. She drives pretty good. So why don't we just get to the footage of it running? Let's go.
Out of your house.
Okay, y'all. The dirt bike has a flat tube. She won't hold air. So we got a new tube in the mail. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to replace the tube before Michael gets home for the weekend so we can ride when he gets home. So, get this tube replaced. It's my first time ever replacing a tube. Never done this before, so this will be fun. Was this dirt bike a good deal? Tell us in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.